afternoon. It's here, Rough Out, Kansas.
On the ground, no shade in the creek bed, and I lay my fears down, they won't go nowhere. Love is an echo under the corn snow. Memories are dead.
You liked that, didn't you? Yeah, so did I. We're gonna look at these bad boys because it's nothing but the best for Rough Out cowgirls and cowboys. So we're gonna take a look at these Ranch Life buckles as we go to Council Grove, Kansas, June 24th, 12 p.m. Brandon Muggin Pasture Doctor. You'll have your first place, second place buckles, and we'll do round winning buckles to the team. So you guys get entered up. And we're gonna take a look. Let's see what's in the black box. I like it. I like it a whole lot. These Ranch Life buckles are the real deal. They're heavy duty and hard to beat. If I could, I would compete and get me one of these, but I can't, so I ain't. That is your champion buckle for the Rough Out Kansas qualifier, and we're excited to hand this off to some Kansas Cowboys or any cowboy that travels to Kansas. You don't have to be from Kansas to compete in the Kansas qualifier. You can be from any state that you like. It is open to anybody to compete. So if you feel like coming, come on. Now we're gonna take a look at our round winning buckle. Once again, Ranch Life. Best buckle company in the land. You're not gonna find these figurines anywhere else on any other buckle, but right here at Rough Out. And that's special. These are gonna be the buckles to have in 2023. You don't wanna miss out on your opportunity to get them. June 24th, Council Grove, Kansas. We're gonna be there. And you don't wanna miss it. So be sure to get your team signed up online, roughout.org. You don't wanna miss it. You don't wanna miss it.